1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6.
Jetzt habe ich mich aber hier wieder.
Ja, ist ja richtig. Wir sollen uns live im Discord unterhalten.
This is the darkest shit, sparkest shit, hitting with the hardest shit. Cause before we started shit, with kids I knew, my fucking friends all turned against me. Said fuck it, bought me a dog. Ever since me and my dog has been like this. He got my back, I got his. Scheming on mad niggas, that's how we do biz. It's about time to start another robbery spree. Cause yo, my way is highway robbery. When I was up north, sing, I was sending niggas home in the coffin. Living like an orphan, bad nigga, I'll be back. See if you be still here. You know my style, I'll put your fucking man in a wheelchair. He'll never walk again on the strength of me. That's how I left from G, scared to death of me. Niggas cannot run, hit with the hot one from the shotgun. Cast is closed, wonder how we got done.
PPE, my dogs believe in me. Petty thugs, hide your cake, never teasing me. I show love to all my bitches hustling ones. Tussle with thieves, making moves second to none. I locked it, made a sudden move, you got big. Flooded with the double R, real street shit. The blonde head bandit, you got guns handed. Turn my face when I bust a cannon. Cause I don't wear sunblock. Ass drag if the fire is hot.
On,
shit
baby.
pop, shells go 3 feet, roll over and stop. We warn niggas that we coming, then we total the block. We scorn niggas like they mothers, then we wet up they socks. Red dye, escaping on the red eye. The seashore and hide out and buy out balls till we see ball. In this game we beat y'all. You got money, keep yours. For eyes be tearing, trying to identify your
come see me if you trying to get some grams tonight, cause I could get it for you raw, gray, tan, or white. Fuck rap, yo, I'd rather be planning a flight somewhere hot on the wave runner, tanning with dikes, blowing the haze while all of them giving me brains. One at a time, y'all start from the front of the line, but everybody wanna contact me and get with me and still end up being mad cause I charge 50. And as for you, sucker, you can keep those raps and screw your awards. My son can't eat those plaques. I never was shit, but some things I never forget. Like if you spend 3, you guaranteed to make back 6. Drove the Benz off the lot and just dusted her off. 10 rim stash, took the governor off. Even the cats that be hating still be loving the dogs, cause they know that the double R's coming for war.
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DP, GC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swank in my hair. Trick, quit talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
Sometimes I just feel like my father. I hate to be bothered with all of this nonsense. It's constant and oh, it's this lyrical content. The song Guilty Conscience has gotten such rotten responses. And all of this controversy circles me, and it seems like the media immediately points a finger at me. So I point one back at him, but not the index or pinky or the ring or the thumb. It's the one you put up when you don't give a fuck, when you won't just put up with the bullshit they pull, cause they full of shit too. When a dude's getting bullied and shoots up his school and they blame it on Maryland. And the heroin, where were the parents at? And look where it's at, middle America. Now it's a tragedy, now it's so sad to see an upper class city having this happening. Then attack Eminem cause I rap this way. But I'm glad cause they feed me the fuel that I need for the fire to burn. And it's burning and I have returned cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam, cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. I don't know, that's just the way I am.